Storm Alert Weather 12 with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look from South Medford. Clear skies right now in the Medford area. We continue to see cloudiness though in the Illinois Valley as well as towards Grants Pass. Once again, stubborn clouds and fog. We were able to make it a few degrees warmer than yesterday in Medford. Now falling back to 42 degrees. It's going to be another cold night tonight. There's no winds, so likely going to see more freezing fog developing in many of our west side valleys. High pressure is in control and it just stays off the west coast all through this week, this weekend, and even into early next week. Signs point to maybe towards the middle of next week we start to see our pattern flip a bit here for Southern Oregon and Northern California, but more of the same. Also going to be dealing with some poor air quality at night and then in the mornings for inland valleys. We do have that air stagnation advisory through 10 a.m. on Friday, but that will likely get pushed further as we go through the weekend. And then we have, again, a freezing fog advisory midnight tonight to noon tomorrow. West side valleys of Jackson, Josephine, eastern Curry County, and then into western Siskiyou County. And that just means we're going to see more of that freezing fog, visibility down to a quarter mile or less. And with temperatures at or below freezing, we could see a bit of a glaze of ice, especially for bridges and overpasses. Down to 28 degrees tonight in Medford. Clear but cold on the east side, down to 20 in Klamath Falls, 19 in Lakeview, and 30 the overnight low in Mount Shasta. Bus stop forecast in the Rogue Valley, in the Medford area at least. It is going to be cold, foggy in the morning tomorrow once again, but the afternoon should be sunny and bright. Temperatures making it into the upper 40s with enough sunshine. We'll get up to about 48 degrees in Medford. Likely cooler though in Grants Pass because of those clouds and fog being a bit more stubborn. Up to 51 degrees in Klamath Falls, 52 in Wairika, and look at Brookings, 66 degrees tomorrow along the coast with breezy winds. Up into the mountains, going to Mount Ashland the next couple of days, it will be rather blustery, especially Thursday and Friday. Those winds picking up, but fairly mild temperatures on the mountain, 50s for highs tomorrow. A little bit cooler Thursday and Friday. We'll climb up to about 56 for the Mount Shasta Ski Park tomorrow. Still staying quite mild through the rest of the week. And then in the Rogue Valley, fog and clouds should become less stubborn as we go through the rest of the week into this weekend. So we do expect a warming trend, especially Friday, highs well up into the 50s. It stays rather mild in the days ahead, and we will stay dry as well right through the weekend along the coast. Ample sunshine the next several days. For Northern California, mornings stay cold, afternoons pretty mild with bright skies expected through the rest of the week and into the weekend. In some of the western Siskiyou County and the valleys, we will continue to see some areas of freezing fog. The basin, though, clear as a bell. Cold nights, mild afternoons, above average for this time of the year. Up in the mountains, more melting snow, temperatures above normal. We look to stay dry right through the holiday weekend. And then in the Rogue Valley, more rounds of freezing fog, but definitely trending milder as we head towards the weekend.